Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Global X Express Lane. Last week, markets diverged between the US and Australia, with the US edging lower and Australia heading strongly higher. US investors pivoted away from tech exposures as they led up into the earnings season, while Australian exposures benefited from a very strong material sector as commodity prices headed to an all-time high. Now for the traffic lights. Green lights for this week are precious metals. Precious metals are, in our view, the best hedge against the geopolitical tensions that are rising this week, with the US becoming more assertive in its attempts to take over Greenland. Any retaliation from the EU, whether it be through trade or military posturing, could be a drag on equities, as well as the two largest currencies in the world, the euro and the US dollar, which could lead to safe haven bids for gold and other precious metals. For the yellow light of this week, big tech exposures are having their worst start to the year since at least 2022. It's dragging indices such as S&P 500s and underperforming Russell 2000. However, this might be a blessing in disguise, as the lower valuations of big tech heading into this earnings season means that they have a lower bar to clear to beat investor expectations. Finally, for the red light of this week, we definitely have to head back to the US-EU tensions around Greenland. Once again, any retaliation from the EU could lead to heightened volatility, especially as we have a long weekend in the US, and any investors returning will be keen to reposition their portfolios. So watch out. Thank you for joining us this week on the Global X Express Lane. We look forward to seeing you next week.